Ma'am Cecilia Esmundo Makapagal, kay Big Stand ako. Meron po tayong konting hinanda para sa ating mahal na guro. Ayan po. Salamat. On behalf of Batch 89, Certificate of Appreciation, this certificate is proudly presented to Ma'am Cecilia Makapagal. Kindly, tayo po kayo dito, ang ating boss. Ayan, Cecilia Makapagal, in recognition of your outstanding contributions and dedication, we sincerely appreciate your efforts and commitment. We thank you, dear teacher, for being more than just an educator. You've been a friend, a mentor, and a role model. Your kindness and compassion have touched our heart. Our heart, we always cherish the memories and knowledge you have shared with us. Thank you for being a remarkable teacher and a role model. Given this 27th day of July in the year 2024, thank you, ma'am. On behalf of Batch, ayan po, lahat po talagang nag-effort, talaga nakakatawa para po mabigay ang certificate po nito sa ating mahal na guro. From Batch 89, Dr. Nicolas V. Rocha Memorial School, maraming salamat. Thank you, Lord. Binasa ko lang.
Talaga naman.
Yes! 8 months na lang ginawa yan.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for the affection, the peace from above. Thank you for this day, each step, each dawn, for the difficult moments that made me grow on. I say thank you in advance for the blessings I
Kahit yung mga iba rito, nakulot ko na ata. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ako hindi na ako. Ma'am, dahil sa inyo tumito yung ako.
Ako siguro, hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan.
constant learnings to keep me thriving, for challenges that make me